Uganda's celebrity sons are not just leaving the spotlight, they are owning it. From stylish looks to undeniable charm, these Ugandan men are stealing hearts and carrying their famous family names with pride. Get ready to meet the most handsome sons of Uganda's biggest stars. You won't believe how grown and good looking they are. In number 15, we have Bebe Cool's son, Alpha Thiele's Sally. In number 14, we have Zari Hassan's second son, Raphael Traore. In number 13, we have Jose Chameleone's son, Abba Marcus. In number 11, we have Catherine Xasla's son, Shadrach Jr. In number 10, we have Jovan Luzinda's son, Rain Luzinda. In number 9, we have Irene Namatov and Geoffrey Utaya's son, Pius. In number 8, we have Palazzo's son, Dinari. In number 7, we have Maureen Natme's son, Prince Kian. In number 6, we have Avieta and Mina's son, Aslan. In number 5, we have Bruno K's son, Seth Chigundo. In number 4, we have Farida Nakazuwe's son, Baby Maktoum. In number 3, we have chosen Becky and dictator Ameli's son, Heather Mutebi. In number 2, we have Lucky Mbaba's and Patrick Kanyomozi's son, Amil. And in number 1, there's no one other than Victor Kamenyo and Akaraje's son, Baby Curtis. And that's the end of our list. So, which Ugandan celebrity son do you think is the most handsome? Drop their name in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more joyous updates from your celebrity jazz. Bye bye.